If you would like some hands-on technical expertise to assist with your Lightboard optimization, Learning Loss Europe provides a unique on-site technical service now. Our in-house video production specialist has over 6 years experience and can walk you through everything from Lightboard settings to filming guidelines and user best practices. The scheduled session covers such as review the setup and make any necessary adjustments, Lightboard settings optimization, camera settings optimization, review and supervision of additional video filming hardware, test filming with the adjusted settings and review of the footage in post-production, and general consultation to cover any further technical questions you may have. The session would generally take a few hours and cover all the elements mentioned. If you're not confident about how to set up and start producing fantastic Lightboard videos, or just want to save weeks or months to find out the best use of your learning loss, please contact us now.